In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture placeholder in a PowerPoint presentation. By the end, you'll know how to set up a reusable image frame that keeps your slides consistent and makes swapping photos quick and easy. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work on. Make sure everything is ready to edit. We're going to create a reusable layout so you don't have to position images manually on every slide. Next, head to the View tab at the top and choose Slide Master. This opens the layout editing mode. Think of Slide Master as the blueprint for your presentation. Any change you make here becomes available as a layout you can apply to slides later. It's perfect for setting consistent positions, sizes, and styles for elements like images. On the left, you'll see a list of layouts. Click the one where you want the picture placeholder to live. Title and content is a common choice if you want a photo alongside text, while blank is great if you want full control over the design. Picking the right layout ensures the placeholder appears exactly where you need it when you apply it later. Now, with your layout selected, go to the Slide Master tab and click Insert Placeholder. From the drop-down, choose Picture. This creates a special frame that prompts you to add an image whenever you use this layout, instead of embedding a specific file. It keeps your deck lighter and your design more flexible. Click and drag on the slide to draw the placeholder. You can start small and resize, or draw it to the approximate size you want right away. Use the corner handles to scale evenly and the edge handles to adjust width or height. Drag it into position and align it with your other content. PowerPoint's smart guides will help you line things up so everything looks clean and professional. When you're happy with the size and placement, click Close Master View at the top. This takes you back to normal editing mode. Your layout is now ready to use across your presentation. To apply it, select the slide you want to format, go to the Home tab, click Layout, and choose the layout you just edited. Your picture placeholder will appear on that slide, ready for any image you decide to add later. Apply the same layout to multiple slides for a consistent look throughout your deck. Done. You've successfully added a picture placeholder to your PowerPoint layout, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.